Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you this delicious pumpkin cheesecake recipe, which is a great alternative for Thanksgiving if you don't want to do the traditional pumpkin pie. You want to start out with some of these biscuits and you want to kind of crumble them up until you have very fine bits of it. There's different techniques to do this, I just like it simple. Then you want to take your butter and you want to mix this together until it is a nice even texture. Somewhat like this. And then you want to take your baking tin with some baking paper at the bottom and you want to spread out this first layer of the cake evenly and then set it to the side. Meanwhile, you can go ahead and prepare your pumpkin puree. Here I'm just cooking some bits of pumpkin and then you want to puree it so it's nice and ready for the rest of the recipe. You want to take some cream cheese in a bowl, and all the exact measurements are down below as always. You want to add your sugar, and then you want to mix until it is creamy. Then you want to add your eggs to the mixture and mix again. Now you want to add some vanilla flavor, some lemon flavor or the grated peel of a lemon, and then you want to add your pumpkin puree. Also want to add a little bit of flour and then give that a good mix. Now you want to pour that over your dough and then you're ready to bake with 160 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes. Meanwhile, you want to take your sour cream and you want to put it in a bowl. Again, you want to add some vanilla flavor and some sugar. And mix until completely combined. Now when your cake is fresh out of the oven, you want to pour that mixture on top and distribute it evenly, and then bake with 160 degrees Celsius for another 15 minutes. This is such a great recipe. It's definitely foolproof. You can't really do anything wrong with it. It turned out so beautifully. It tasted amazing. I really hope you give it a try, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.